When that user lands on your page, they enter their query, it's all about how quickly do they get their first response back. At its core, anything is an AI agent. Every AI agent needs three main things. The first is great models. It needs a good harness, a compute environment where it can run. Our business is extremely high volume. The workload is quite spiky as well, so we need to be able to spin up thousands of sandboxes on a moment's notice if we happen to be going viral on social media, for instance. A lot of our users are coming to us to build mobile apps. Building mobile apps requires you to build actual native code. Those builds can be pretty compute heavy. You really need a sandbox solution for that can scale with the size of the apps that our users are building, which E2B is able to provide.
Most people think of a sandbox as just a place to write and test code. Then you have to move it somewhere else to actually run it. E2B does both, so anything never had to make that jump. The same secure, isolated environment that builds the app also runs it. That's how someone with no coding experience can go from an idea to a real money-making product without ever leaving the platform. Because of what's underneath, projects persist between sessions, they pause so idle time costs nothing, and they start back up fast enough that it always feels instant.
When it came to adding sandboxes to our stack, it's the classic build versus buy decision. We could have built it on AWS with probably a couple of senior engineers working for a few months, but even then it was unclear whether or not that solution would scale. The alternative was working with E2B, where we could get started on day one. We could actually get to production a lot faster just by leveraging their SDK.
With anything, anyone can build software, and we are proud to power that.
Today, E2B supports over 1 million users on our platform. We run thousands of sandboxes in parallel. E2B is the fastest sandbox provider in the market. And so when you think about the combination of it both being extremely fast and true to the form of development environments, that combination is just unbeatable. I still don't understand how you guys do that. That part is really cool.